Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to purchase the latest World of Warcraft expansion and renew your subscription. Now, how much is it going to cost? Well, if you open up Battle.net, then you go to Shop, you click on Shop, Warcraft, click World of Warcraft, scroll down, and you will see the World of Warcraft, the new expansion. So if I were to tap on that, you have three editions: base edition, heroic, and epic edition. So 50 euros, 70 euros, or 90 euros. There are a bit of differences, like for example in the base you don't get the flying mount. For example, you don't get this transmog set and some other stuff. But with epic you get even more stuff. And that's pretty much it. So these are the prices. Got to mention, once you buy the expansion, you immediately will get the subscription as well. But if you just want to buy the subscription, go to Shop Warcraft, World of Warcraft, and then let's just scroll down, and here you will see Warcraft subscription. So here it is. You just click on this, then you have multiple offers, and then you can subscribe or try now. If in the War with the expansion you don't get the subscription, this is how you can also buy it.